Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. On this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a group of elements in Canva. So here I've already on my Canva design, and as you can see that each element is separated like this, so that if you want to move it, you need to move it one by one, but you can also make it as a group. So what you need to do is just choose the elements that you want as a group. For example, I want to add this elements right here as a group. So what you need to do is just block the elements like this, and then after that you need to click on the three dots icon at the top and then click on group. So after that, if you want to move, they move as one like this, so it make you easier to move the elements. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also don't forget to click on the thanks below. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye bye.